Good morning students, welcome back to your online classes. So today we are going to continue with maths chapter 5 expansion formula part 3. We're going to continue with practice set 5.3. Students, note down that you have to watch each and every video on full screen mode. So in this practice set we are going to learn about expansion of a minus b the whole raised to q. In previous video we have studied about a plus b the whole raised to q. Now in this video we're going to learn about expansion of a minus the whole raised to q. Now how can we write a minus b the whole raised to cube? We can write a minus b the whole raised to cube as product of a minus b and a minus b thrice the time. Okay, so then a minus b and a minus b, so we can write a minus b as it is and this a minus b the whole square, right? So we'll keep a minus b as it is and we can expand a minus b the whole square, as we know that a minus b the whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now expand it, a the whole bracket a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b again a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a into a square is a cube minus 2 will remain as it is, a into a is a square and b will remain as it is, plus a into b square is ab square. Now here minus sign is there, so a minus a square b minus minus plus 2ab square minus plus minus b cube. Okay, now a cube will remain as it is. अभी a square वाला टर्म कौन सा है, ये वाला a square b, so minus 2a square b minus a square b minus 3a square b plus ab square plus 2ab square plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, now a minus b the whole cube का फॉर्मूला क्या मिल गया, that a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, now let's start with practice set 5.3. So very first question is 2m minus 5 the whole raised to cube. So now here a is 2m and b is 5. So a minus b the whole raised to cube कैसे बन जाएगा, फॉर्मूला क्या, a क्यूब, तो a क्या है हम लोग का 2m, so 2m the whole raised to cube minus 3 into a square, what is a, that is 2m, तो 2m का square into b, what is b, 5, plus 3ab square, so 3 multiplied by a is 2m into b square is 5 square minus 5 cube. Now 2 का cube is 8 and m cube will remain as it is, minus 3 will remain as it is, 2 का square is 4m square, m का square is m square, then 5 remain as it is, plus 3 into 2m into 5 का square 25 minus 5 cube is 125. Now 8m cube will remain as it is, 3 4s are 12 5s are 60 m square plus 3 2s are 6 25s are 150 m minus 120. So we have 2m minus 5 the whole raised to cube as 8m cube minus 60 m square plus 150 m minus 125. Okay, now second question, here a 4 minus p the whole raised to cube is a question. So a is 4 and b is p. So we have a minus b the whole raised to cube as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So substitute the value of a and b in this formula. So we have 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square, that is a square, into b square, that is into b, that is p, plus 3 into ab square, so 3a into b square, that is p square, minus b cube, that is p cube. So we have 4 का cube as 64 minus 3 will remain as it is, 4 square is 16 and p as it is, plus 3 into 4 into p square is p square minus p cube. Now 64 minus 3 into 16 is 48p plus 3 4s are 12p square minus p cube. Okay, so we have 4 minus p the whole raised to cube as 64 minus 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. Now third question, here we have 7x minus 9y the whole raised to cube. So here a is our 7x and b is 9y. Okay, so by the formula of a minus b the whole raised to cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube will be 7x the whole raised to cube minus 3 into a square, that is 7x the whole square, into b, that is 9y, plus 3 into ab square, so 3 into 7x into b is 9y the whole square minus 9y the whole raised to cube. तो 7 का क्यूब is 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are is 343. x cube will remain as it is, x cube, minus 3 will remain as it is, 7 का square is 49 and x square is as it is, and 9y, plus 3 sevens are 3 into 7x into 9 का square is 81 and y square will remain as it is, minus 9 cube is 729 y cube. Now 343 x cube will remain as it is, 3 into 49 into 9 is nothing but 1323 x square y, plus 3 into 7 21, 21 into 81 is 1701, so here x here, y square from here, minus 729 y cube. Now fourth question, we have 58 cube. So how can we write 58 cube in by this formula a minus b? 60 minus 2, the whole raised to cube. Then here a will be 60 and b will be 2. So we have 58 cube will be equals to a cube, that is 60 ka cube, minus 3 into a square b. So 3 into a is 60 ka square into b, that is 2, plus 3ab square. So 3 into a is 60 and b is 2 ka square, minus b cube, that is 2 cube. So we have 60 ka cube, 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216 and thrice 0. So 216 000, minus 3 will remain as it is, 60 ka square is 3600 into 2, plus 3 into 60 as it is, 2 ka square is 4 and 2 ka cube is 8. So 216 000 minus 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 3600 is 21600, plus 3 into 6 18, so 180, 180 multiplied by 4 is 720 minus 8. So we have, if we subtract 216000 with minus 21600, then we're going to add 720, then we have to subtract 8, so we're going to have 195112. Okay, so how could we do that? So 216123 minus 21600, so we have 0 minus 0 minus 0, 10 minus 6 4, this remain 5, 5 minus 1 4, 1 11 10 9. Okay, so we have this 94400, 94400, then we're going to add with 94400, then we're going to add with 720, 0 2 8 9 10 11 5 then 9, so we have 95120, then 95120. So we're going to subtract with 8. Wait. Again we're going to do erase all. So 216000 minus 216. So first we're going to add, then we're going to subtract. Okay. So 216000 plus 20. So 216123 plus 720. So 027612. So we had 216720. 216720. Okay. So 216720 minus 8. अगर हम लोग पहले इसको 8 माइनस करेंगे, so what will going to have 1 10 10 minus 8 2 1. So 12 216712. 216712. Then we are going to subtract with 21600. So 2 1 7 minus 6 1, 6 minus 1 5. So here 1 11 minus 2 9 and here 1. So we have 195112. Okay, understood, got it? So now fifth question, 198 cube. So how can we write 198? 200 minus 2, the whole raised to cube. So here a is 200 and b is 2. So now 198 cube will be, according to formula, a cube, that is 200 cube, minus 3a square. So 3 into 200 ka square into b, that is 2, plus 3ab square. So 3 into 200 into 2 ka square, minus 2 cube. तो 2 का क्यूब इज़ 8 एंड 00, तो कितना हो जाएगा? 00 को ट्राइज अ टाइम 2 4 6, राइट, 1 2 3 4 5 6, माइनस 3 विल रिमेन एज इट इज़ 200 का स्क्वायर इज़ 40,000 इंटू 2 प्लस 3 इंटू 200 इंटू 2 का स्क्वायर 4 माइनस 2 का क्यूब इज़ 8. देन नाउ विल going to write as it is, minus 3 4s are 12, so 12 into 2 is 24, 24,000 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 2400 minus 8. So by addition and subtraction we are going to get 776239. Okay, now sixth question, 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole raised to q. Now here a is 2p, b is 1 upon 2p. So according to formula a minus b the whole raised to cube, first we have to write a cube, that is 2p the whole raised to cube, minus 3 into a square, that is 2p ka square, into 1 upon 2p, that is b, plus 3 into ab square, that is 3 into 2p into b ka square, 1 upon 2p the whole square, minus 1 upon 2p the whole raised to cube. So now we have 2 ka cube as 8p cube, minus 3 will remain as it is, 2 ka square 4, or we can write 2p twice a time and 1 upon 2p, plus 3 2p 1 upon 2p 1 upon 2p we can write twice a time, minus 1 upon 8p cube, because 2 ka cube is 8 and p ka cube is p cube and 1 ka cube is 1. So now this 2p and this 2p will going to get cancelled, so we have 8p cube minus 3 2p, ये कैंसिल हो गया, ये मल्टीप्लाई में 1 हो जाएगा तो 3 इंटू 2p बचेगा, प्लस 2p कैंसिल, सो वी हैव 3 अपॉन 2p, 3 और 3 इंटू 1 अपॉन 2p माइनस 1 अपॉन 8p क्यूब, देन वी हैव 8p क्यूब माइनस 3 2 ज़ा 6p प्लस 3 अपॉन 2p माइनस 1 अपॉन 8p. Okay students, now 7th question, that is 1 minus 1 upon a the whole raised to cube. So here a is 1 and b is 1 upon a. So according to formula a cube, that is 1 ka cube minus 3 into a square, that is 1 ka square, into b 1 upon a, plus 3 into a, that is 1 into b square, that is 1 upon a the whole square, minus b ka cube 1 upon a the whole raised to cube. So 1 ka cube is 1 minus 3 into 1 is 1, 3, so 3 by a, plus 3 into 1 is 3 upon a square, because a का square आएगा यहाँ पर, minus 1 upon a cube. Okay, that's it. Now 8th question, here x upon 3 minus 3 upon x the whole raised to cube. So a is x upon 3 and b is 3 upon x. So how could we write this? A cube, that is x upon the whole raised to cube, minus 3 into a square, so 3 into x upon cube का square, x upon 3 का square, into b, that is 3 upon x, plus 3 into ab square, so 3 into a is x upon 3 into b is 3 upon x the whole square, minus cube, so 3 upon x का cube. So we have x upon cube, x cube upon 3 का cube is 27, minus 3 will remain as it is, x upon 3 का square है तो हम लोग उसको twice a time लिखेंगे और 3 by x को लिखेंगे, प्लस 3 इंटू एक्स अपॉन 3, 3 अपॉन एक्स का स्क्वायर है तो उसको ट्वाइस अ टाइम लिखेंगे, माइनस 27 अपॉन एक्स क्यूब, बिकॉज 3 का क्यूब इज 27, एक्स का क्यूब विल रिमेन एज इट इज. देन फ्रॉम हियर विल गोइंग टू कैंसिल आउट दिस 3 and this 3, so what we're going to have, this 3 and this 3 and this x and this x. See, ये x कट जाएगा, ये 3 कट जाएगा, तो क्या बचेगा 3 इंटू एक्स बाई 3 प्लस 3 इंटू यहाँ पर से 3 सॉरी तो यहाँ से हम लोगों का क्या कटेगा 3x. सो वी हैव 3 इंटू 3 अपॉन एक्स माइनस 27 एक्स क्यूब. सो फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो 3 विल गोइंग टू गेट कैंसिल, सो वी हैव एक्स क्यूब अपॉन 27 माइनस एक्स प्लस 3 3 is 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. Okay students, that's it for today. Thank you for attending the lecture. Complete your notes properly from the video itself.